Hi, if you start HDR Light Studio and your preset lights are all red like this, then there's a few reasons for this. One might be that you didn't actually install your preset lights, but if they are installed, the probable reason is that this project was made on a different computer. The paths to the presets are stored. So if I go here, we can see that this path is in the local folder for a user called Johnny. Well, I'm not Johnny, my computer's called Lightmap. So there's an easy way to fix this if your project was made on another computer. So if we go to Project, Manage File Links, there is a button called Relink Presets. If I press this and then close, we can see that now this has been updated to use my local folder to look for those presets. And here we can see those have all now been updated.